From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, overall it will remain pretty pleasant for our overnights and early mornings, mild during the day, and we will start to introduce some rain chances beginning late tomorrow afternoon, and those will stick around Wednesday into Thursday before it does look like we'll dry out, or at least lower rain chances to round out the week on Friday, but that'll be pretty short-lived as storm chances look to return at least into portions of the upcoming weekend. So we'll take a look at the extended forecast in just a second. But first, here's a satellite radar composite. And again, most of the action today kind of all around Acadiana with showers, some of which severe off to our west, especially into portions of Oklahoma. Shower activity over towards the panhandle of Florida, some out in the Gulf of Mexico, but that is about it. So I do think we'll stay relatively quiet overnight tonight, but what we're going to see developing tomorrow afternoon is a weak area of low pressure out here in the northern Gulf of Mexico. Now, if this were hurricane season, we might be a little bit more concerned, but this particular feature is going to be non-tropical in nature as it slowly lifts northward through Acadiana and then off to the north in the days ahead, but at the very least it will keep the pattern somewhat unsettled with daily rain chances in the mix. So here's how it plays out with the graph model. Again, notice the storms out in the Gulf by tomorrow morning. Temperatures for most of us in the upper 50s. There could be some mid-50s out there, especially for northern Acadiana. The day as a whole is going to be partly cloudy. Temperatures mid to upper 70s into the afternoon. Again, that surface low is going to get going out in the Gulf, but what we may start to see by the afternoon hours are some of these scattered showers kind of wrapping around the feature and making their way into Acadiana. So we're going to hold rain chances at around 30 to 40%, and that's mainly going to be for areas along and south of the I-10 corridor. Thereafter, we're once again going to be in the upper 50s to near 60 degrees first thing Wednesday morning. And then again, that surface low is slowly going to be drifting northward through the area on Wednesday, keeping scattered off and on showers in the forecast, could even extend into Wednesday night. First portions of Thursday before eventually lifting north of the area, and we start to dry things out there come Friday as depicted by the European model here. Temperatures will be warmer Friday afternoon, lower 80s, and then we're going to have a cold front approach the area sometime for the upcoming weekend. Right now it looks like Saturday, we'll say Saturday afternoon, perhaps into Sunday night, and that'll give us a good chance at some scattered showers and storms. And then thereafter, believe it or not, we could be looking at a quick dip in temperatures toward the beginning of next week. Could be talking overnight lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, high temperatures in the lower 70s. Now, the trickiest part about this forecast is going to be nailing down the rainfall estimates. This is per the Weather Prediction Center taking us through Thursday evening, showing the highest rainfall totals likely setting up offshore. I think that's a pretty good call, but there's going to be a sneaky 1 to 2 inches possible in spots. Right now it looks like more so for coastal Acadiana and then lower amounts as you get further off to the north and west away from the Gulf of Mexico. And the latest graph model is kind of highlighting that solution here again, showing higher totals if you're near or southeast of Lafayette, and then much higher totals as you get out in the Gulf of Mexico. And hopefully that's where some of the more extreme totals remain. As far as temperatures tonight, again, feeling pretty good. Mid-50s for northern Acadiana, upper 50s along the I-10 corridor, and we'll see upper 50s to lower 60s across the coastal parishes. After that cool start, it'll be mild tomorrow afternoon, mid to even upper 70s in spots. Again, the model highlighting pretty good here. Best rain chances along and south of the I-10 corridor. When the upper 50s to lower 60s by Wednesday morning, and then a good amount of cloud cover. It's going to be kind of dreary out there on Wednesday with off and on scattered showers possible, so that'll kind of limit temperatures to the upper 60s to lower 70s. We'll go 58, the projected low temperature tonight. We'll call it refreshingly cool out there, fair to partly cloudy skies. And then for our Tuesday, tomorrow, mixture of sunshine and clouds, 75 to 77 into the afternoon, so mild, with again a few of those scattered showers developing during the second half of the day. Rain chances at around 30%. And again, Pesky rain chances sticking with us Wednesday into at least portions of Thursday. May have to bump rain chances up just a little bit on Thursday, at least for the first half of the day. But then thereafter, we'll get some drier air into the area as we head into Friday. It'll be warmer as well, lower 80s. And then again, that cool front looking to push through sometime for the upcoming weekend. And that'll give us another chance at some storms and then a quick day.
Okay, we're still talking cool fronts.
Yeah,
April,
cool. We're going to
okay
be
with that.
running out of days, though.
We sure are. Thanks, Bradley.